Welcome to El Salvador.
Hola. Yeah.
Our amazing driver, Beto, picked us up from the airport, and this was actually a group trip to El Salvador. So there was 7 of us, and we went to our first stop, which is the Picnic Steakhouse, and it is absolutely gorgeous, and it's a bit more than just a restaurant.
Gracias.
Y clásica.
We're gonna share.
Okay.
Are you gonna? You're gonna be hungry. So this was our lunch that we had at Picnic Steakhouse, and we were starving. And of course, I got a hamburguesa clásica. It was delicious, even though I got made fun of for getting a hamburger. But the restaurant was beautiful, and after lunch, it was time for the slide. This is one of the rainbow slides in El Salvador. It's a long walk to get to the actual entrance that you need to go in, but just look at the slide. It is absolutely beautiful. The slide is actually steeper than it looks. It's a horrible angle, but you know, that's what we got. All right. So after we left the Picnic Steakhouse, we headed to our Airbnb, which is in Surf City, and we have an awesome Airbnb, and we got custom bottles for everybody. And of course, we had a beautiful pool that we were able to relax at for pretty much the rest of the day until it was time for dinner. But we'll show you more of the rest of the Airbnb in our next video, so stay tuned for that. Shout out to our housekeeper for the Airbnb, Sylvia. She was amazing as well. She's a wonderful cook also. Thank you all for coming for my 31st. Thank you for coming to my 35th birthday. I appreciate each and every one of you for taking the time to have fun with me in a beautiful place with beautiful people and enjoy some good food from some good people. And tomorrow we're gonna have some even more fun. We're gonna with some more good people. And yeah, we all get older. I just hope that we maintain our friendships. That's what this is all about. Enjoy the food. Eat up.
Thank you, Sylvia.
Good morning. It's day 2 of us in El Salvador. We arrived yesterday with everybody at the airport. We got a ride from our driver. We went and got food at this beautiful place with a rainbow slide that we all went down. After that, we went grocery shopping at Walmart, which I don't think we have any footage of, but that's okay. And now we're going to be headed to the volcano and the lake. So yeah, so far so good.
Good morning, y'all. We are headed to Santa Ana Volcano, Bugs, Tigers, and then to Lake Coatepeque, which is literally right in front of us. We'll show you. It's very beautiful. It's like, they say it's like a lake in the middle of a volcano. And I don't think we've ever seen a lake in the middle of a volcano, have we?
Not yet.
So it'll be a first. Ooh, got some hot chocolate. It was $1. And we are at the base of Santa Ana Volcano. There's a bunch of like little shops. You can buy some souvenirs. You can get some hot chocolate, some coffee, some pupusas. It's early, so they're only selling breakfast and pupusas. But I guess later they would probably sell like other traditional El Salvadorian food. So we got here very early because our driver Bento, who is great, he said we should get here early just because of traffic. So now we get to eat. Let's find Sean.
Look at you.
Okay.
It's good.
Out of 10, out of 5, out of Bodega, compared to the Bodega one in New York.
About the same. Although I don't know if I got beans and cheese. I think we got chicken and cheese more often than not. Or just cheese. Yeah.
It was $3 to get in.
Yeah.
Then $3 for the tour guide.
And then there's gonna be $6
for the entry to something. I don't know.
Yeah.
We haven't reached it yet. And then you can rent poles. Walking sticks?
For $3.
Yeah. Nobody in our group got a pole though. Nobody got a pole. How you feeling?
Girls, now we got a nice, comfortable flat part.
Yeah.
Nice.
It was a snack stop. What did people get? Did they get snacks? Walter, you got something?
Got Gatorade.
Gatorade. A volcano fun fact. Santa Ana fun fact.
Santa Ana is the tallest volcano in El Salvador. Tallest mountain? Highest point in El Salvador.
I think it's Volcano. I think it's the biggest volcano.
I think it's the tallest point.
Okay, y'all. You know, after hiking for about 40 minutes, you come here and buy a $6 ticket to enter. I think it's like to support. Okay, I'm gonna try to show y'all, hold on, how long it takes us. So it's been like, you see? There we go, 42 minutes so far since we started. Let's see how long it takes us to get to the top. Oh, he's being in the video too. Ticket. This is Dennis, y'all. This is Pan.
That's Panda.
Hi. We're the United Nations over here. It's so true, though. True. Look, we got Canada, El Salvador, Taiwan original, right? Okay. Turkey, Barbados. This man gave me his stick.
Hey. I made it to the top. Got ice cream. You get ice cream when you come here. Well, it's $1.50, I think, for each ice cream. I don't have much time now. I gotta head back down. So we'll see you on the way down. We made it down the mountain. and we're tired. The end. Yeah, if you're gonna go, make sure that you can handle 4 hours of hiking. Even if they tell you it's an hour, expect it to take 4 to 5. That's all I gotta say.
Open it too for me, please.
Open it.
Okay, what did you get, Walter?
$6 Gato de Canino with a chicken dish.
And chicken? Wait, you got soup and chicken?
Yeah. This is pre-lunch.
Oh.
For $6.
Don't make a mess. Chicken.
Tortillas, lime,
And rice.
cucumber, tomato.
Yummy. Oh, I got my food. I'm so excited. Your first jocote. It's sour. Hey, but it's good. Look at it.
Can't really see it, but okay.
Look at that. I've never had this. It's so good. It's sour. I love sour fruit. He said it's like an avocado. I think, I don't know. Not a fan.
I thought Pilsner was a type of beer, but this is the brand of beer.
The fried fish is from this lake.
It's delicious. It's real
I'm
cold.
gonna eat the lake when I'm about to jet ski out. That Eric's about to throw.
You could float on a boat. Right, on a lake. Nom nom nom.
time? Oh, snap. thank you for watching the first in our El Salvador video series. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next episode.